As homes become smarter, concern for security becomes more real. That's where Matter, the new smart home standard, can help. Security and privacy are foundational tenets for Matter. It's been designed to keep your devices and information secure and private, while still being easy to use. Let's look at an example of the simple but powerful steps used to add a Matter device to your smart home. First, you buy a new smart home product, let's say a door lock that has a Matter QR code. Using your smartphone, scan the code. The QR code includes data that tells the phone how to communicate securely with the lock. Matter will then provide the steps to securely commission the lock into your home. Using information from the QR code, your smartphone first connects securely to the lock and verifies it is a Matter certified lock. Next, you are prompted to confirm that you want to add the lock to your home. When you consent, the lock is configured so that it can join your network and integrate seamlessly in your home. Configuration settings include a local identity for the lock, control rules for who or what can open and close the lock and change these rules, and all the information needed to connect to your home's Wi-Fi or Thread network. After this, your new door lock is securely connected to your home and ready to use. It sounds simple, right? Behind the scenes, Matter ensures all communications with your smart device are secured with strong encryption, authenticated to protect against cyber attacks, and controlled to maintain your privacy. And if a software update is available, you will be prompted to authorize installation so that your Matter smart home device always has the latest and most secure software available. As our example demonstrates, Matter uses 7 powerful techniques to protect security and privacy. Validation of device authenticity and certification, user consent, local device identity, control rules, encrypted communications, privacy controls, and secure software updates. These 7 techniques are used across all Matter devices, from lights and locks to smart thermostats and garage door openers. Matter takes industry best practices for security and privacy and raises them to the next level. With Matter, you get the peace of mind that your home is not only smart, but it's also secure.